Hello, I'm Philip, your data analyst. Today we are looking at the Hotel Booking Report dashboard, and we have the KPIs, that is the mean of ADR and the average of night spent. Also, we have on the chart, the first chart is top 5 countries with most passengers, and we have the country with most ADRs and the country with most booking, including children and babies. That's the booking which involves children and babies. And we have the ratio of country by hostel. So the city hostel has more country, and the ratio of children by hostel. The city hostel also have more children in their hostel. Also, we have the report summary. So this report summary for the dashboard created. So these are KPIs which can work with our and change them to see more details about the dashboard. We can also filter them together, see for the geos. So that's all about the report. Thank you.